Hello there, traders. For today's analysis, I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar, and I will speak about USD versus Japanese yen, dollar index, and about the gold. I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first. So today, just to check what we got in terms of the news and the schedule, we do have industrial production month on month in the very actually close. And Bank of Canada Business Outlook Survey. So we don't have actually any high impact events for today, at least not expected. So in that sense, we can go into the Euro versus US dollar and see what is the current structure suggesting. From my perspective, I'm seeing this like as long 1.1620 can hold, I can see more downside. So that's one scenario that if this 1.1620, 625 can hold, there's still more chance for a downside movement. And if we watch the longer time frame, so if we watch like, for example, if we go 4-hour time frame, we can find basically that we do have overall sideways regime in the last couple of days. Actually, the last 10 to 15 days, this is more like a sidewaysing market, and that market is, and that basically euro is above the value. If we speak about the previous week price action, so if you check like a previous week price action, so that will be from 11th till 15th, right? So I will take my InstaForex platform and show you how the euro versus US dollar looks on the profile perspective. So this is basically price action on the left. It's basically price action from the previous week. I will just merge this on the left. Merge, and you will see basically that we have a control zone here, but we also have a lots of acceptance in this zone here from previous week, and that basically value high from last week is at 1.1613. So we're trading near the value high, and current day looks like a very flat day so far. So I do see potential for maybe test reject of this zone here, and then trying to attack 1.1555 or 1.1545. Again, if we break 1.1620 aggressively, then there can be another upside leg, but for now I don't see that, so the bear scenario is most likely to happen at this stage. USD versus Japanese yen. Overall, I can see this one still upside, but there is always a chance this can be a ABC before we see a further upside continuation. All trends are up, so USD Japanese yen is on the big upside cycle. And watching like 2-hour, 4-hour time frame to find the pullbacks, we're sitting right now on the 2-day average line. It can be actually pretty good for a continuational move as well. So watch for more like bullish continuational move on the USD versus Japanese yen. To the upside, dollar index, if you check dollar index and go higher frame, this is pretty much flat. If you go to the daily time frame, you'll find out basically there is a flat regime, and we have inside day from Friday, and today we traded above and now back into this range again, but we got a highs made first. So I can easily see this to transform into some kind of ABC structure for further upside continuation. So I also see more strength on the dollar, on the US dollar. And then we got a gold. Gold basically did play out nicely, since what we spoke about, that's reversion to the mean. Mean is actually at 1761, so price just back into the mean here and back aggressively into the previous trading range, which is technically a bear stance, but for now we see some rally, which is normal reaction because we got a big sell-off today. So there will be potential for the next downside levels and targets around 1747. So that will be all for today's analysis. I hope that you did enjoy, and see you all tomorrow morning.